Hello everyone, we will discuss today a important clinical case which will be kept as a long case in the exam. Oxy they will keep, Viva they will ask, then short case also they will, short notes also they will give, sometimes long long question also, main question also with the clinical scenario picture. Clinical scenario discussion as such. So it may be main question, it may be short question, it may be oxy, kept as a oxy as a spotter, it may be short case as such, it may be clinical discussion also. So every aspect it will be kept at very common entity. So that is, so what is this clinical diagnosis? Look at this and you can have the diagnosis. See here, foot is there, it's already gone. Right, the great toe is gone and two toes are very black, and this is the disc totally black in this area up to this area. So this is the scenario. So what is this condition? This condition is dry gangrene of, you know that gangrene is the macroscopic death of tissue in situ with putrefaction. And what is gangrene? What are the types? Already told, it is it is macroscopic death of tissue in situ with the putrefaction. It can be dry or wet. What are the basic evaluation of the treatment and treatment? Arterial Doppler, CT angiogram. Basic thing is initially Doppler, that is a non-invasive. Then CT angiogram is a must. Lipid profile, because that may be to identify the cause. Blood sugar, common in diabetic. Sometimes they will have nephropathy, so creatinine is important, because before doing CT angiogram, you have to do serum creatinine, it should be normal, otherwise you may not be able to do dye, or you have to select the dye which will not cause problem to the kidney, or it will not worsen the nephropathy due to diabetes as such. And so it requires, how will treat it, how will manage. This patient requires below knee amputation. You can give drugs and to maintain the flap or prevent the further progression of the disease proximally. You have to give aspirin, low dose, clopidogrel, thylacetazole, and to improve perfusion you have to do arterial surgery, maybe direct, maybe indirect. Indirect surgeries are sympathectomy and omentoplasty, which are not done now. Direct surgeries are thrombectomy, endarterectomy, profundoplasty. Depending on the CT angiogram finding, you will decide, or saphenous vein in the graft, maybe reversal or in situ, or direct arterial graft as such. Usually Dacron graft as such you can use, or PTF is mainly for the distal. So this may be added, but this requires amputation. That's important, because this is totally gangrene. This tissue cannot be saved. So angiogram will tell the how much perfusion is there, little run off, collaterals whether it developed or not, site of block, and you can do opposite side also, examine opposite side also, even one side it is seen, both sides may be diseased. Examine, look for the system, examine the cardiac system, examine the pulse, examine the abdomen, and examine the scar for the previous surgeries, whether it has undergone any other surgery. Detailed history also important. Proper examination of the peripheral pulses important. Dorsalis pedis, posterior tibial, popliteal, femoral, radial, ulnar, brachial, subclavian, carotid, subcrucial, temporal, in order, in the column you have to write to complete your clinical examination. Right and left, both sides should be examined. And these are the treatment strategies, of course. Requires amputation. You may not be able to salvage this foot. May be able to save the below knee level depending on the perfusion as such, which may be confirmed through CT angiogram and arterial Doppler as such. So that is about the dry gangrene, a common short note, common clinical entity, commonly occurred in oxy. So remember, very common entity, definition of gangrene, meaning of the dry gangrene, wet gangrene, differences, everything. So for that, please, how to examine this patient with the peripheral vascular disease in detail, because it's a long case kept, and also kept as a main question in the theory, maybe short question also, maybe oxy as a short case or oxy case spotter, and angiogram may be kept, Doppler may be asked. Go through my SRB's clinical methods in surgery for detailed clinical evaluation, and my SRB's manual of surgery for detailed test aspect, treatment aspect in detail, and evaluation aspect. And how to do this surgery, different vascular surgeries, you can go through my operative surgery and skill for tissue approximation, and detailed lectures are there through Digino, through JP Publishers, everything about all chapters including specialty urology, neurosurgery, cardiothoracic, operative surgery, instrument, X-ray specimens, through Diginor lectures in detail, everything A to Z surgical conditions discussed for UGs and basics for PGs. So you can always purchase Diginor through AP for a year and understand all these things in detail. It is useful for all UGs and basics for PGs also. So you can purchase Diginor through JP Publishers for 1 year and understand all surgical aspects accordingly CBME syllabus, everything as far as your exam is concerned, and also importantly as far as your knowledge is concerned. So students, I hope you understood this gangrene topic very well. Thank you very much.